So front foot is going to start in a slightly internally rotated position, but I still want the knee tracking forward. Okay, so we don't want the knee caving in. We're externally rotating against this to wake up the side of the hip and give us power for the twist that's coming. Back foot is up on the tippy toe, so we're weight forward at all times. We're going to keep the plate in nice and tight to the body. We're then going to come into a nice long hip hinge. The hips are going to stay square, and then we're going to stack the shoulders vertically. This is our thoracic rotation component. From here, I'm pressing the plate out to straighten the arms. I pull back in, and I'm going to pivot the weight from front to back, squeeze the rear glute, and press up high. I pull back in, and I pivot back to my start position. As you get more confident, you can add a little bit of speed into it, but the priority is that the hips stay square, the shoulders go in the opposite direction to get that thoracic rotation, and then it's hip extension as we come round to shift the weight from front to back. Okay, and then turn that left foot in. So a wee bit of internal rotation, yeah, left foot. Oh, what's your favourite position? And then up onto your tippy toe on the rear foot to bring your weight forward. Okay, so knee soft, front leg, so the weight should be all on that front foot. Lovely. Oh. You're going to make a nice long hip hinge now. So maintain space from shoulder to hip. Feel the hamstring stretch. And then hips are going to stay square, so push this knee out. Yeah, screw it out. And then twist the shoulders so that they stack. Lovely, nice stretch, eh? So butt nice and tight, push this knee out, twist again, twist round, and then press that straight out. Good. From there now, you're going to come up and pivot. Weight goes into the front foot now, and press up high. Good, pull back down, and pivot back into that position. Good, twist the shoulders, hips stay still, press away. Excellent.